Chapter 19, Adventure and Space. Adventure is an unusual, exciting or a daring activity a person undertakes. Scuba diving, paragliding, river rafting, mountaineering and rock climbing are some adventure activities. Adventure in the mountains. In Bharat, Himalayas with beautiful valleys and a large number of mountain peaks provide ample opportunity for all to take up mountaineering as an adventure activity along with religious touch. Climbing Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, 8,848 meters, is every mountaineer's dream. Mount Everest lies in the Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range. Climbing Himalayas is a very difficult task because of its high altitudes and extreme weather conditions. Sherpa Tenzing and Edmund Hillary were the first people to climb Mount Everest on 29 May 1953. Bachendri Pal was the first woman of Bharat to climb Mount Everest on 23 May 1984. Santosh Yadav is the only woman to climb Mount Everest twice on 12 May 1992 and on 10 May 1993. Dicky Dolma is the youngest Indian woman who climbed the Mount Everest in 1993 at the age of 19. Mountaineers from many countries have successfully scaled the Mount Everest and raised the flags of their respective countries. Mountaineering makes a person healthy and strong. It also builds leadership quality and team spirit. Discipline and tolerance are a must for anyone going for mountaineering. Take care of the mountains. Some people throw a lot of garbage and leftovers during their excursion. It spoils the environment and causes pollution. When you visit the mountains, make sure you do not damage the natural beauty of mountain valleys and rivers by leaving cans, bottles or plastic bags around. Journey into space. The vast space and heavenly bodies have held a sense of mystery and awe for us. Reaching the space was a dream until the year 1961, when on 12 April, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, first went into the space. Man enters space. Valentina V. Tereshkova was the first woman who flew in space. Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. As he landed on the moon, the first sentence that he said was, "This is one step for a man and one giant leap for mankind." Rakesh Sharma was the first man from Bharat to go into space and circle the moon. While he was in space, the then Prime Minister of Bharat asked him, "How does Bharat look from the space?" He replied, "Sare jahan se अच्छा Hindustan hamara." The first woman of Bharat to go into space was Dr. Kalpana Chawla. Dr. Kalpana Chawla went into space on 19 November 1997. In January 2003, Kalpana had gone on a space mission in Columbia Space Shuttle with 6 other astronauts. She died on 1 February 2003 due to the breaking up of the space shuttle, minutes before it was about to land. Let's recall. Number 1. Adventure is an unusual, exciting or a daring activity a person undertakes. Number 2. Bachendri Pal was the first woman of Bharat to conquer the Mount Everest. Number 4. We should not pollute the mountain valleys and rivers by leaving cans, bottles or plastic bags around. Number 3. Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon.